What's up guys? I'm Sean Lam.
And I'm Sean Xiao.
This is Apple Scideas.
We are going to review the reason which sparks the war between Coke and Mentos. Many experiments show that the reaction between Coke and Mentos can produce impressive fountains of bubbles. But why? Make sure you watch this video from the start to the end. As you can see, we are doing a new series, and this is Apple Scideas Laboratory. When you search the answers through Google, there are two kinds of answers as you can see. One side says that it's a chemical reaction between diet soda and sugar in the Mentos. The other side says that it's a physical reaction between rough surface of Mentos and the soda. So, how do you decide who's the correct one? Instead of guessing, we are going to do the experiment and find out the answer. Let's begin by testing our first solution we found on Google. Alright, the reaction is caused by chemical reaction between sugar and soda. If sugar is the reason behind, then we can expect the same effect from other sweet candies. If the hypothesis is right, the sweeter the candy, the bigger the effect produced. So, let's test it out with the sweetest candy. If it produces a bigger explosion, then the hypothesis is correct.
Round 1. Ready, go! Round 2. Ready, go!
Looks like Mentos can produce a bigger reaction compared to this sweeter candy. It proves the first principle, Coke and sugar react to cause the explosion, is incorrect. Let's test out the second explanation we found on Google, which the reaction is caused by the rough surface of Mentos. If the rough surface is all that needed, then all we need to produce a bigger reaction is the sand.
Round 3. Ready, go!
Oh my god, this is the result we are looking for. This result supports our hypothesis of physical reaction. This explanation is the correct one. Ding! Wait, don't quit the video yet. The amazing part is just about to come. Soda is a carbonated drink with lots of dissolved gas, just like Coke. When we open the cover, the gas will want to come out in form of bubbles. But bubbles need a surface to form on. This is why you see the bubbles appear at the side of the cup when you pour soda into a glass. Although Mentos' outlook is shiny and smooth, but this is how it looks like under the microscope.
Those tiny bumps are called nucleation sites, place where the gas can grab onto and start forming bubbles.
As you can see, the surface of Mentos is so rough that it produces a perfect place for the bubbles to be formed. The Mentos are also heavy to sink. They react with the soda all the way to the bottom. The escaping bubbles quickly turn into raging foams, and the pressure builds dramatically. All that pressure has to go somewhere. And before you know it, you have got a big geyser happening.
And that's the end of this video.
And we hope you guys will like our new series, Apple Scideas Laboratory.
We wanna say thank you because we just hit
100 subscribers. Thank you for supporting us. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing videos, and remember to share this video out. And we will see you in the next episode.